Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code all in Among Us. And now to fix it, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding error code. Content error code in Among Us is primarily a network-related issue indicating that your game client is unable to establish a stable connection with the Among Us game servers. This error message does not typically point to a bug within the game itself, but rather suggests a problem with your internet connection, the game servers being down, or an interference preventing your device from communicating properly with the game's online infrastructure. It often appears when trying to join a lobby or during the loading screen for a match.
Step verify your internet connection. Content the most common cause for error code. All is an unstable or absent internet connection. Begin by checking your device's Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection status to ensure it is active and strong. Try opening a web browser or another online application to confirm that your internet service is working correctly. If other services are also affected, restart your Wi-Fi router and wait a few minutes for them to fully reboot, and then retest your connection before attempting to launch Among Us again.
Step to check Among Us server status. Content sometimes the problem lies not with your connection, but with the Among Us game servers themselves. Before proceeding with more complex troubleshooting, check the official Among Us social media channels like Twitter or community forums for any announcements regarding server maintenance or outages. If the servers are experiencing issues or are temporarily down for updates, you will encounter connection errors like and the only fix is to wait for the developers to resolve the server-side problems. Step will restart Among Us and your device. Content a simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches or clear network cache that might be causing connection issues. Fully close the Among Us application and then relaunch it if the error persists. Proceed to restart your entire device, phone or tablet. A complete system reboot can refresh your device network stack and clear any lingering processes that might be interfering with the game's ability to connect to the internet, potentially resolving the error code. Step to change server region or use of content. If the above steps don't work, the issue might be specific to the server region you are trying to connect to, or there could be localized routing problems within the Among Us game settings. Try changing your server region to a different one, from North America to Europe or Asia. If this doesn't help, consider using a virtual private network that can route your internet traffic through a different server location, potentially bypassing any local network congestion or routing issues that are preventing your connection to the Among Us servers, thus allowing you to play